Although all industrial trucks have similarities in how they're operated, forklifts have special handling requirements. One reason for this is the counterbalance weight in the back. This weight prevents the forklift from tipping forward when it raises a load and contributes to its tremendous lifting capacity. But a loaded forklift is like a seesaw. The front wheels are the fulcrum on which the lift is balanced. If a load is too heavy or too far from the wheels, the forklift is likely to tip forward. So you need to check your forklift's nameplate to see what its lifting capacity is. Always use a machine that is rated to handle the load that you want to move. There are rules for picking up a loaded pallet as well. First, make sure the forks are spaced widely apart. This better balances the load. Keeping the forks level and a few inches off the ground, slowly move forward until the pallet is seated all the way back on the forks. Once the forks are fully inserted, slowly lift the pallet about 6 inches. Then tilt the mast back to secure the load for transport. If you're lifting a pallet from an overhead rack, make sure that you lower the mast before traveling with the load. A forklift with a raised load is extremely unstable. If you try to drive with a load in this position, you're likely to tip over. Another potential problem is that some loads can be naturally off-center, so be sure that they're stabilized before moving them. Find the load center of gravity and position your truck's forks accordingly. Special attachments can be installed on the masts of forklifts to move barrels, carpet, and other differently shaped materials. Since these attachments can radically change the lifting capacity of a forklift, or where its center of gravity is when it's loaded, a new nameplate with revised specifications will have been installed on these vehicles. So be sure to read the information on the nameplate before picking anything up. Forklifts can even be used to elevate workers, but only on proper safety platforms that are securely fastened to the mast. And never drive a forklift when someone is on the platform. Moving it even a few inches is dangerous because the rider could fall or have an arm or leg crushed.